Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Everyone does it," end quote. Everyone does it. Those three words have a quiet power, and sad to say, it's not the good kind. The everyone does it phenomenon is one of the strongest predictors of disintegrity. Why? Because it gently numbs our inner compass. When a behavior feels normalized, it stops feeling questionable. The moment we tell ourselves it's common, it's expected, or it's just how things work, we loosen our grip on our own values, often without even realizing it. You see, my friends, what makes this phenomenon so dangerous is that it rarely arrives as a dramatic moral failure, but more so it shows up softly. It whispers permission. It convinces us that accountability is optional when responsibility is shared. So basically, we think that if everyone is cutting corners, bending the truth, staying silent, or looking the other way, then it must be harmless, right? No, wrong. So integrity, my friends, isn't about what's popular, but more so it's about what's right when no one is watching. It's about the choice you make when blending in would be easier than standing firm. History, leadership, and personal growth all tell the same story. Real character is revealed in moments when we could excuse ourselves but choose not to, where we resist the comfort of conformity and instead act in alignment with who we want to be. So, in closing, my friends, because everyone is doing it, it has never been a valid reason to do it. And the quiet courage to say, "not me," is often the difference between living reactively and living with integrity. So sometimes the bravest thing you can do is refuse to normalize what doesn't sit right with your soul. And this, my friends, is a compass point for the mind. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.